Letter? Sa letra T. That's thinking, right?
ENT.
ENT, tama?
And the last letter is okay.
P인데, P로.
P, ako, paano ko natin pakita?
그거 뭐해?
Perceiving.
아니, 지금
Perceiving ba yan?
Perceiving yun, di ba? Pine-perceive mo eh.
P입니다, P.
So, I'm a P.
Okay, so you are ENTP.
네, ENTP.
The debater. Very good, ENTP. May mga ENTP ba dito? Tama naman yun. Okay, next question for